What's the date today? 23? Is it 23 September 2024? What she called you for 36 ba? Bakit? Ano sinabi niya sa'yo? What did she say to you? What did she say to you? What is it all about? Ha?
Like playing PlayStation.
You play PlayStation? Eh? Today is Monday. 4:36 she said to you? You play PlayStation. Is that what she said? And remember she said Paul will be playing with you. Where is he?
Not there.
Ah? Did she say he's coming here?
Yeah.
Ha?
No.
Hindi niya sinabi na pupunta siya rito makikipaglaro sa'yo. So, anong sinasabi nitong manager na to? Anong sinasabi ng manager na to na na maglalaro daw kayo dalawa ng ni Paul. Sinungaling talaga yung babaeng yun. Napakasinungaling. Sinungaling talaga. Hindi, kasi kaya niya sinasabi yun kasi sinungaling siya. Kasi ayaw niya na ako nagpupunta rito. Bakit? Tinitignan ko lang naman ang pagkain ng anak ko. Ano ba masama doon? Hindi ko naman pinapakialaman kung anong ginagawa niya. Pagkain lang naman ang sinasadya ko rito para pakainin siya. Tapos ano naman to? Oh, sinara pa. Who closed this? Did you close it?
No.
Who closed it? It's weird. Oh, weird. Fucking weird. Fucking weird. Did you close it? Did you close it when you left last Friday or Saturday? You didn't